Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin and I upload a whole bunch of different types of videos on this channel, mainly surrounding true crime and psychological cases, as well as a little bit of fashion and lifestyle sprinkled in where I can. Now today I'm back doing a really exciting video actually. I'm so excited to be partnering with FABFITFUN on this video to kind of combine two different videos to bring to you guys. It's come at a perfect time. I'm kind of recovering from being quite ill, so I thought it'd be perfect to kind of show you guys what's in the new summer FABFITFUN box and kind of put them to the test and do like a little pamper routine with all the products in here so you guys can actually see me trying them out as well. So as I said, this is the FABFITFUN summer box. They've actually just launched in the UK, which is super exciting. They are a seasonal subscription box, so you'll get 4 of these a year and they're each valued at over like £150 and you'll pay like so much less per box. I believe you pay less than £50 a box, which is amazing. And what's really cool, I found out that I didn't know about this actually, was that it's one of the only subscription boxes that gives you purely full-size products. So I've had a peek in here and I'm so excited to show you guys because you will agree with me that there are some really cool things in here for a subscription box. I've been so impressed. And something else that I learned actually while kind of doing a little bit of research was that you can personalise some of the products in here yourself. So some of the products in each box are the same for everyone, but then the remainder of the products you actually get to pick yourself from a set of options, which I just think is so cool. So if there's anyone else doing videos with FABFITFUN, you know, if they've unboxed the summer box, you'll see that they will have gotten some different things maybe to me because it's so easy to personalise and I just think that is fantastic. So yeah, this is kind of perfect timing since they have just launched in the UK. I will just say very quickly that when I had a look on the website, everything is still in US dollars and that is meant to be like that. They just haven't updated their site. So if you do want to pick up something yourself, don't be alarmed. It is available in the UK. It's just in dollars on the website. And if you do decide you want to pick up yourself a subscription to FABFITFUN, then I actually have a discount code for you guys. So if you use the discount code KateRose, you'll get 20% off, which is fantastic. So I'll leave everything you need to know in the description and I should have it on the screen as well. But we should just get started. I'll just very briefly show you kind of some of the products that you get in the box and then I'll actually go through and actually use them for you guys so you can see them in use. I would just like to say though that I love the packaging in this box. Like, it just gives me major summery vibes. I can't tell you how excited I've been to actually use these products because, like I said, I had a quick peek when it came and I haven't been able to use it since I filmed this video, so I'm just so excited. So you do get a couple of little kind of discount codes for some products and then also a little FABFITFUN magazine, which I'll sit and read through later on. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see, but they're all full-size products. I'm so excited to try all these out. And you get a whole mixture of things in these boxes. So to my knowledge, you get a mixture of beauty, fashion, lifestyle, wellness. There's a bit of everything, so it covers everyone's needs. First up, sat on top here, I'll just show you these now because I can't really like use them. But there's a little pack of 6 of the Invisibubbles, which I've been meaning to try out. Everyone's been recommending me because I was moaning about the little kinks in your hair when you use a hairband. So they're the little traceless hair rings that you can wear on your wrist. And these ones are the Crystal Clear and To Be or Nude To Be pack. So these are fab. Already, just the things that I'm looking at, I know I'm already going to use. Whereas in the past, I've tried out these like subscription boxes where you get random little minis and I just find that I haven't actually used them enough. Whereas this stuff, I'm actually definitely going to use. Another kind of lifestyle thing, which I thought was really cool, is this Sutra Beauty Marble travel-sized blow dryer, and Harry's been so excited to use this as well. We're always moving about and having a little hair dryer. I just never thought to use one, but it just looks, I'm so excited. It looks so cute. How cute is that? Comes with the hair dryer. It's got some little nozzles with it as well. I think that's just such a cool thing to have in a subscription box. Like, I wouldn't have thought of this being in there, and it's just such a cool idea, and it's marble print as well, so this is definitely going to be coming with me on all my travels. I think these may possibly be my favourite thing in this box just because they're so different, and again, I wouldn't have expected them in there. So they are the silicone wine glasses, what a pair, set of 2, and they are by Odeem, I believe is how you pronounce the brand. I have never seen anything like this before. It's just such a cool idea. It comes in a little pouch for storage and things. They are literally 2 stemless silicone wine glasses and they are baby pink. I think these are going to go so well in our flat, and they're such a cool idea if you're having like a summer barbecue or something because you can have them outside. So I'm actually most likely going to use these later on to have a bit of a drink as part of my pamper evening. This is something that I'm super excited to try because I'm just in love with the packaging and I've never heard of this brand before. So this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So I know my mum's also had her eye on this as well to try this out. But it's just such cute packaging, and it's definitely going to be something that I will actually use. So this is just a facial spray, and again, I'll try this a little bit later on when I do my kind of skincare, and I'll show you guys that as well and let you know what I think of it. Then we have the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish. So I'm assuming this is just like a face scrub. It smooths, exfoliates, superfine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skins, especially oily and dry. So you just use it on your damp face. And it's gentle enough to use daily, it says. So give this a go as well as part of the skincare routine. I'm always excited to try out new skincare products. This is the Wish Coconut and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens intense hydration. I've never tried a foot mask before. Apparently exfoliates, polishes and then soothes. So I'll try that on. I believe you're supposed to use this overnight. So again, perfect to incorporate in my little pamper evening. This is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So once again, I'll chuck this as part of the routine in the pamper evening. Always looking for new clay masks. I am such a sucker for clay masks. It's so lovely just to be able to sit on a little chill evening and have one on. Just feel it like doing your skin some good. So I'll give this one a go. Next up is the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. And I've heard a lot about this brand actually, so I'm very excited to try this. This you just put onto clean damp hair all over, and then you just style it, and it just keeps it very sleek and prevents it from kind of like suffering as a result of like conditions and the weather and things. So gonna give this one a go. And once again, I'm always looking to venture into the world of hair care products. One that smells really good as well. And finally, I feel like this box has never ended. It's just full of such big products. So this is from a brand called Summer and Rose, and I believe this is one of the personalisable products, so you can kind of pick whether you get this or not. But it's this really cute like beach bag with these plaited handles. This is going to be such a nice idea if you're going on like a day trip, like I said, to the beach, going for a picnic or going out just somewhere on like a summer's day. Definitely going to be able to wear this a lot in these next few months. So that's just such a cool thing. Again, it's like a full-size bag that I wouldn't have expected in a subscription box. Right, I've spoken for way too long now, so I'm going to get on, I'm going to take my makeup off, do my skincare, try out these products because I'm so excited to give these a go. So I apologise if it's a little bit dark and echo in here, but I've just taken my makeup off. I'm in the bathroom now, and I'm just going to use some of the products. So first off, I'm going to put my hair up using one of these Invisi Bobbles and seeing how they do. Because if it works, I'm definitely going to be having one of these on my wrists, like permanently. Actually a lot softer than I thought it'd be. I'm probably like the last person in the world to try one of these. Right, so I'm going to try out the Refining Micro Polish Wash before I do the rest of my skincare, to give it a bit of a wash because I've just had makeup on all day. It smells really nice. It smells like, almost like a sage. It smells quite herby, which is quite nice. It makes it feel quite natural smelling. My skin definitely feels so nice, like it feels like there's no roughness whatsoever, like it really has completely like buffed off any like dead skin. It feels so lovely, but it doesn't feel dried out. Sometimes when I use kind of harsher scrubs or something on my skin, it feels like it's completely sucked the life out of my skin, but it's not like, it's not super dry now, which is really nice. Right, now I'm going to try the clay mask. Probably usually wouldn't use both of these together at the same time all the time, just every now and then I'd use the mask, so we'll give this one a go. I don't usually bother putting masks on my cheeks because I really don't have issues with my cheeks, like they never really break out or anything, so I'm just going to focus this where I'm most oily, with like my kind of problem areas, I guess. Right, I'm going to leave that to dry now. I'm going to go downstairs, have a drink, chill while it dries before I wash it off. Just washed off the clay mask, and honestly, the same thing as with the scrub. It hasn't dried my skin out. I'm now just kind of going on my usual skincare routine, which I won't show you in this video, but let me know if you want to see like a full-on skincare routine. But I thought I would do this and then I can try out the rose spray, which I'm really excited to try actually. This is the rose spray. I'm definitely going to have to check out more of their products because the packaging is so cute. It's very me. So I'm going to give this one a go. It says you can use it like before and after makeup. It's like a refresher if you want to use it during the day. I love rose sprays. I remember I used to use the Mario Badescu one like religiously until I ran out. absolutely oh, I love that. So refreshing. Definitely my favourite product so far. Okay, so that is actually where I'm going to end this video. I tried out a bunch of the products on this video and I thought I would save the remainder for my Instagram. So if you're interested in seeing what I think of some of the other products, hopefully over the next few days after this video goes live, I will be kind of updating you guys on my Instagram story. So definitely go over there and give me a follow if you are interested in seeing any of the other products. I just want to say a huge thank you to FABFITFUN for partnering with me on this video. It has been so fun and I've really enjoyed actually trying out the box, because I've definitely discovered like loads of new things that I wouldn't have discovered before, and I genuinely think it's all fantastic. As I said at the start of the video, I'll have every piece of information you need to know in the description box below, but if you want to use my 20% discount code, then it'll be on the screen. It's Kate Rose, and like I said, it'll also be in the description as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back very soon with another video.